Welcome everyone to our Forex weekly analysis for the week starting from 24th May 2021 to 28th May 2021. It is the last week of May and we have already seen an extreme volatility in the price. If we see the price action of the last week, we will see some decent downside pressure that has been covered by a bullish pressure, and the bearish pressure came as well, and again it is covered by the bullish pressure. This extreme volatility caused a loss to most of the retail trading sentiment, but we will expect some decent movement this week, as after the volatility a good amount of counter happens. Among the important releases, we only have PCE inflation and the second revision of quarter on GDP of the USD. Besides, the RB-NZD will meet, where we will see a price reduction from the NZD-USD. Except this, the overall week will be an empty in terms of important releases, but we will expect some good movement in most of the major currency pairs. So let's start the Forex weekly analysis with the EURUSD. Currently we are at the EURUSD daily chart, and if you see the price carefully, there is a decent hidden divergence is forming where the price is moving higher but the MACD histogram is moving lower. However, the regular divergence is not formed yet, so we will wait to see the price, but based on the price action we can see price become higher above the dynamic level with an aggressive pressure, then get some correction and moving higher. But in this three higher high at this location 1 2 3 wasn't significant compared to the strong rally at this location, which is an indication that price don't want like to move higher, and it has a higher possibility to test lower at least to 1.2036 level for the coming week. So what are we gonna do? We will wait for the price to break below this event level here. If we draw, you can see an decent event level 1.2167. we need a stable price below 1.2167. This might be a daily close or could be a H4 close with a decent amount of correction. After that, we will wait for the price. As soon as the dynamic level will move higher and the price come closer below the dynamic level, we will look forward to sell, where our primary target would be 1.2036. So for EURUSD, we'll be looking forward to sell this week. So let's see what's in the GBPUSD. The scenario is different in the GBPUSD. Here you can see price already formed a potential double top here, as this high wasn't taken out at this location. The price become consolidating at 1.4230 level. So what do you expect? We are expecting the price to come lower as long as it is trading below the 1.4231 level. So for this week, we will wait for a break below the near-term event level, which is 1.41. So if the price comes below 1.41, we'll be looking for to sell, and our primary target of this sell would be 1.3986. Here's a possibility of movement of 120 pips for the week. So for GBPUSD, our primary expectation is sell, and the condition is we need a daily close or H4 close below 1.4104 level. So let's see what's in the other currencies, which is AUDUSD. Here you can see the AUDUSD is already formed a bearish possibility, as the price moved below this level but moved higher and failed to take our 0.7977 level in the daily chart. Moreover, if we draw an important level 0.78, price made a false break above the 0.78 level and currently consolidating with an extreme volatility as the price made a several violation with the dynamic level of 20 MA. Therefore, as long as the price is trading below the 0.78, we will be looking forward to sell, but we need to see the price to break below the most recent low. What is the most recent low here? The most recent low here is 0.7717, so we need to see the price below 0.7717 with an H4 close. After that, we'll wait for an extensive amount of correction, and after the correction, any rejection would be significant to say that the price will come down to a straight 0.75 level. For AUDUSD, we'll be looking for to sell after a strong bearish pressure below 0.7718. So what's in the NZDUSD? The things is same for the NZDUSD as the price became extremely volatile at this location with a several buyers and sellers violation with the dynamic level. Here we need to see the price below 0.7150 with a strong daily close below this level would bring the price down to 0.6960 level, which is the most recent low. There is a huge gap at this location and we can get all at least 200 pips from here. So for NZDUSD, we'll be looking for to sell, and of course after the daily goes below 0.7150. In the GBP, Euro GBP, the things is different, where all currency pairs has extreme volatility. It's showing some correction. So in this correction, we can see the price made a strong bearish pressure here, breaking below this low and this low, but after that it start doing consolidation. So the price is currently getting resistance from the dynamic level of 20 MA, and if we see the price to come below and it closes below the 0.86 with a daily close, we'll be looking for to sell, where our primary target would be this order block 0.8499. And we will see some other currency pairs like GBP JPY. Here you can see the GBP JPY is moving higher, and there is a decent if we can draw, we will see there is a decent regular divergence, which is very significant. As we can see, the price is moving new high, but the histogram is moving new low. So which is the location, we can say the GBP JPY has a higher possibility to come down, but we need to see the price. There is a possibility to make it a support becomes resistance at 153.55 level. So if the price comes below 153.50 level, we will be looking for to sell, where our primary target would be at least 151.8. so there is a possibility of getting about 130 pips for the week. So a stable daily close below 153.50 would be significant to consider the upcoming pressure as bearish. So lastly, we will see gold. Let me scroll the gold. I hope gold is in here. So what's for the gold? We're in the daily chart and we can see price is moving higher, breaking below by creating new high. But what's in this location? In the 1889 level, price starts consolidating, and it seems like price doesn't want to go higher above 19,000 level. So we will wait for the price to break below the most recent low. What is the most recent low here is 1870. Any daily close below 1870 would consider that the price may come down with the target of dynamic level of 20 MA, which is at the 1834 level. So for gold, we'll be looking for a daily close here, and for after the daily close, our primary target would be 1834 level. So lastly, we will see the Bitcoin. If you scroll and see the Bitcoin, we will see there is a decent bearish pressure in Bitcoin that came after a long week. If we draw it, we can see there is a possible and significant movement with a head and shoulder pattern, and where the neckline was at 147,000. So if the price moves above and test the 40,000 level, we'll be looking forward to sell. But before that, as the most price action shows that the price failed to come below the 30,000 level, we'll be looking forward to buy. If we see the price action, and here there's a long wick 1, 2 and 3 times, which is a sign that sellers failed to take the price lower and buyers are struggling to get the price, so which is an indication of sellers failure at this location. And we know after the bearish pressure, the sellers failure from a significant support level is a traditional way to consider that the market may move higher. So what we can do here, if we draw, we can see the most recent swing level is 38,300. So if the price moves above the 38,300 with the daily close, we'll be looking forward to buy. And for this buy, our primary target would be 45,000 where the dynamic level is, and 47,000 where the important event level is. So if the price moves above the 47,000 with a massive bullish power, we may expect it to test the 60,000 level, which is the most significant level for the Bitcoin. Thank you for watching this video. For more information and updates about the market, please visit our website.